Hey everyone, it's Riley, and today I'm going to be setting up for January in my digital bullet journal. So the digital bullet journal that I'm using is one that I've been hyping up on my channel for a little while already, so if you've already heard me say it, sorry, I'm going to say it again. This is the 2024 fully customizable digital bullet journal. So basically what it is for 2024, every single month you can choose from 25 different themes. It takes like 30 seconds a month, maybe 60, to customize your spreads. You can go through and choose things like your calendar start. Do you want Sunday start, Monday start? Do you want a list style calendar? What sort of habit trackers do you want? What kind of memory tracking pages do you want? What kind of weekly spreads do you want? Do you want vertical boxes, horizontal boxes, more of like a schedule? All these different layers of customization. And so that's the journal that I'm working in today. Now, since there are so many different themes to choose from, even if you bought this journal, you obviously may not be using the same January theme as me because this is just the one that I have chosen. But I hope that you enjoy this video anyways, as I just kind of go in and build up my monthly spreads for the month of January. And if you are interested in this journal, it is currently on sale in preparation for the new year starting so soon, so you can find it linked down below. So I'm starting off in the yearly spreads here. I chose the Bear yearly spreads, and all you have to do to import your theme is navigate to that monthly tab, click the theme you want, and when you get to Google Drive, you'll simply click the three dots, open in, and then choose to open it in the note-taking app of your choice. I'm using GoodNotes, and I do explain this more thoroughly in like the setup instructions if you do purchase the journal, but you can choose to import it into the same file as your yearly spreads or into a separate one. I personally choose to import it as a separate file and have those two notebooks kind of open side by side. And I'm going to link a video up here talking about exactly how I kind of manage my digital planning because I do use a few different notebooks on a regular basis. But here you can see I chose the Moths theme for January, and I'm just using the Sunday Start calendar. There are three different options: Sunday Start, Monday Start, or a list style. And what I'm doing right now is just going in and placing down my recurring events. As I was filming this video, it was still November, so I didn't really know everything that January would hold. Obviously, I still don't. So this page is definitely going to get more populated as we get closer to January and into January. But for now, there were certain things that I knew just happen on a regular basis. And what I've been doing for the past few months, if you've watched any of my monthly digital bullet journal videos, is I've been going into Canva and making these little sticker sheets that you're seeing me use. You could really make these anywhere. You could do them in Keynote, or you could draw your own in Procreate or something like that. I've been using Canva because I do have Canva Pro, so you can just download as a PNG with a transparent background and make yourself some little stickers that go along with the events that you have up for the month. So I went ahead and did that for my calendar page. Here you can see the other calendar options, and then I moved on to the monthly dashboard. So the monthly dashboard is just kind of a hub for you to do some planning for the month. I find the monthly calendar is a great place to dump all of your events, whereas the monthly dashboard I use more for my goals, my tasks, and things like that. There are actually some tasks list pages that come along with this digital bullet journal as well. So far, meaning like November, December, when I was kind of half in this journal, so far I haven't been using those. I've just been using this monthly dashboard page because it does have a small task list, and I actually find that that's enough for me to write down all of my monthly tasks as it is. So I've been using this dashboard as kind of my hub for everything that needs to get done, whether it's, big picture goals that I'm trying to accomplish, or more, day to day, what are the habits I want to be engaged in, what are the tasks that I want to make sure get done, and stuff like that. So I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. If you did go ahead and purchase this journal, what theme did you choose for January? Also, now that you're starting the journal, I am so excited to start getting more feedback about this journal. What do you like about it? What would you change about it for next year's edition? What kinds of other stickers and freebies do you wish had come with it? Like, would you find useful? I would love to hear all that kind of feedback. I'm expecting in a few months I'll make some kind of like survey to send out to people who have purchased the journal so that you can share your feedback more formally, but please feel free to comment on any of these videos if you do have that feedback about this digital planner. And again, it will be linked down in the description box in case you're interested. So there's my monthly dashboard. Moving on here, I'm going to fill in my habit tracker. Again, you can see there's 3 different options. I like to go with the first option that's more of like a calendar layout. So I'm just writing in the different habits that I want to try to stay on top of in January. And I will be honest, you'll know this about me if you've watched any of my physical bullet journaling videos. I am not a habit tracker. I am not a mood tracker. I just don't find myself coming to these pages very often because they're not that practical for me. For me, it's mostly about the daily things. What tasks do I need to get done today? What meal am I making tonight? Like all that kind of stuff. That's like the biggest purpose of my journal. So I don't find myself coming back to these sorts of pages like at the end of the day to check in. It's mostly a task-based thing for me, but we'll see. Maybe now that it's all in this digital format, I'll start to use it more often. Here's the mood tracker. I wanted to show it even though I don't know if I'll use it this month. As you can see, there's a bunch of little moth doodles that you get to color in every day. So the idea is that you can use this key at the top and just mark down the moods that you want to keep track of this month. If I use mine, I'm going to use it as more of like a productivity tracker because I find that more useful to me than a mood tracker. So I've got my little key up at the top here, which obviously you can change to fit whatever you're looking to track this month. So those are all the monthly pages that I'm going to fill in right now. There are more. You can see there's a brain dump page, a task list, which again, I'll use during the month as needed. Then there are 3 different options for memory spreads, and these I am so excited to use, but obviously not now at the start of the month. Here you can see the 3 different weekly layouts for each week and the 2 different daily spread options as well. So that was a quick little flip through of January, and here again are the few pages that I actually set up here at the beginning of the month. Thank you so much for joining me for some more digital bullet journaling. I really do appreciate your support, and I hope I'll see you again in another video.